Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a landing page from scratch using Royaltie's marketing platform. Alright, now if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump right into today's content. All right, so first things first, I'm going to be taking you into the landing page editor that the Royaltie marketing platform allows you the opportunity to use. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you step by step what you would need to do, and then I'm going to show you examples where I literally created a couple different pages so you can take a look at what you would be able to do as well. All right, so with that being said, we're going to start with step number one, which is to first click on the landing pages tab over here. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. If you already have pages created, you'll be able to see. As you can see, I've got multiple different pages that I created in here. Now, first step is you're going to click on Add New. All right, now it's going to bring you in here inside the landing page editor. Now you can see right off the bat, your logo will go there and the hero image will go here. Okay, and I'm going to show you pretty much what all of the sections look like based on the sample pages that I'm going to show you. All right, so first things first, you're going to go ahead and create your page name. So I'm just going to put test for this video purposes, and then we're going to go ahead and move to the page link. Okay, so the good thing about Royaltie's platform is you get your own subdomain. Okay, so like right here, this right here is my subdomain. Okay, the same with this one. We help relieve your stress. That's my subdomain that I own. So think about it like this. If you go to GoDaddy right now, on average, you're gonna spend about $18 per domain. Okay, now there are things where you can get it for like 99 cents, but at the end of that term, right, that 1 year term, it's going to be about 18 bucks for your domain. Well, you get your own subdomain in here. So at the end, it won't say .com, it'll say .now, .site, but it'll be yours. Okay, so that's where the power really is. All right, so let's go ahead and go back. All right, so I'm just going to put test my abs. Let's just go with that. All right, so that right there will become my subdomain. Okay, that's what I would send people to if I'm trying to get them to opt into my page or whatever your goal for the page is going to be. All right, so I'm going to keep that. Now the logo, you see it says your logo here, and then it says site logo. So whatever I want to be there, I can put there. Specifically, you probably want to put your own logo there, but I'm just going to put a random picture here just for now, just so you can see how it would show up. All right, so I'm going to click on add image, and I'm just going to add a random photo up there. All right, so we're going to go with that photo. I'm going to hit OK. You can play with this, right? You can go up here like this, or you can keep it here, or however you want to do it, and then you will hit OK for it to actually show up there. So you'll see it show up there in a minute. Okay, it's taking a little bit of time, but that's fine. It will. Okay, so there it is right there. So that's how your logo would show up at the top. So that will be the first thing that people will see along with the hero image. All right, so the next thing is the actual hero image. So I'm going to show you a sample page that I made, just so I can show you an example of how this stuff looks. All right, so if I go to this sample page, this is what I use for the logo, and then this is how your hero image would show up. And you can they show you the exact sizes for each and every one of these to make it look the best. Okay, so you get the picture and size it to this size, and boom, this is how it's going to show up. Logo and hero image. This is what they're going to see. Now, let's go back over there. So now that you know how it's going to show up, now let's move on to the About Me section. So if I click on this, you'll see I'll enter my name, last name, picture, email, phone number, pretty much all the contact details. So this is how that would actually show up. So boom, here's the picture. This is the About Me section. And then my first name, my last name, my email address. Those are the only two things that I put there, and then I put my Facebook and my Instagram. So if a person is on this site and they want to go and check out what type of person I am on social media or on LinkedIn, they can just literally click on this and it's going to take them over to my Facebook. Let me show you. All right, so boom. As you can see, it takes them right over to my Facebook page so that we can have a conversation, or they can check me out over on my page, see what I'm posting, see what type of person I am. Because people do business with people. People don't do business. People join people. They don't join businesses. All right, so boom, it's right there on my my profile page, just like I said. So it's pretty powerful. All right, so let's go ahead and click out of that. So yeah, that's pretty much how it's set up. You have your picture, you have your name, you have all your contact details, and so on and so on. So let's go back over here to the landing page. Okay, so you can pretty much play with that how you want to. If you want your company name, you can put your company name. All right, so let's hit cancel. All right, so the next section is going to be where you choose the industry in which you want to get leads. So whatever page you build, let's say for instance, your page is to basically get, let's see what we can do over here. Let's go to personal services. All right, now that is the industry. Now we're going to go into the subcategory for personal services. So when I click on that, you can see barber, car service, dry cleaner, funeral services, hair salon, life coach, nail salon, personal injury. So basically what this feature is Royaltie actually gives away free leads every single month, right? Guaranteed leads to actual specific niches. So if you want leads in the hair salon for personal services, or if you need funeral leads, personal injury leads, that's what that particular feature is. And they're going to give you guaranteed leads in all of the niches that they have. Now you can see here, they have insurance, home services, real estate leads, sports leads, travel leads, health and wellness leads, food and restaurant, income opportunity. They got leads in multiple different niches and subcategories. All right, now let's go ahead and click off of that. Now let's move to the actual sections. This is where it starts to get good, and I'm going to show you the different sections that you can actually that you can use here on Royaltie's platform. All right, so let's click on add section. Now you can put a headline, you can do a feature block, image gallery, big image, map feature, which is pretty cool. That would probably be good for like people who are doing real estate. And let's say for instance, you're doing like virtual tours and you're running ads to that site. And then if you want people to actually come to that destination, they'll know exactly where it's at because they have the map on the page, which is super cool. All right, and then also the video. Okay, so let me show you a few sample pages that I built just so you can see section to section how it goes. All right, so we're gonna go to this page right here. So right off the bat, you see the logo and you see this button right here. Now it's cool what this button does because it basically focuses people where you want them to go. So when you see what happens when I click it, boom, it takes them right down to the form on the page. So they're definitely connected. All right, so remember what I said, the video section, right? Let's go to that. Let's go back to that page. First off, boom, I used a Vimeo link, okay? Or you can use a YouTube link. Okay, now at that point, boom, you see the video popped up and then you see the headline, the description, and then the description that's actually under the video. Now let me take you back over here to the landing page and let's click on video. All right, so remember what I said, YouTube or Vimeo link, headline, subheadline, description, and you hit OK and boom, you're done at that particular point. All right, so let's go ahead and hit cancel. Now let's go back to that page and go section by section. All right, so this is another section, which is the customer form section. So if I want to put that section on there, I can literally click on add section as I did, and then hit customer form. Boom, headline, subheadline, description, and then let's say for instance, I don't only want to collect emails. Let's say for instance, I want to collect name, phone number, and emails. Now I can do that literally just by clicking the button. Now, whatever I want the button to say, I can make it say that. So I'm just going to say get instant access now. Boom. So that's what the actual button is going to say. And then I can change the color of the button as well. So if I wanted to make it red, or maybe I want it orange or yellow or green or blue, whatever color I want to make it, boom, all I got to do is just choose it, and that is done. Now, at this point, if you want to link them over, so after they enter their information, let's say, for instance, they enter all their information. At this point, when they click this button, I can generate the lead and redirect them over to the URL that I want them to go to next. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Now let's go back, and at this point, once I have all that, I would literally hit OK, and then the form is going to pop up just as you've seen it on the page that I built. All right, now at that particular point, let's look at another section. So if you want to see the map section, I'll show you here on this website, the same website. So here we go. Come visit us here today. So I put that as the headline, and boom, here is the actual map. So if a person clicks on this, right, it's going to take them right to Google Maps, and then they can pretty much direct right there in their car. That's why I said it's actually a pretty good idea. If you're watching this right now, maybe you're in real estate, maybe you do virtual tours and different things like that, and all you're going to have to do is just have the video set up on the page, giving your virtual tour, and tell people, hey, if you look down below, there should be a map. It'll direct you right over here. Okay, so that's definitely something that you could keep in mind as you're watching this video. All right, so let's go ahead and scroll this way. All right, so you can do a large image. That's something else. So basically, it'll be an image right up on there, and it'll be pretty big. All right, and then you can also do image galleries. All right, so let me actually show you one of the pages where I actually used a I'm trying to remember which website it was. All right, so let's go back to let's back out of here, and I'm going to show you guys a page where the actual image gallery was used. All right, so it should be this page right here. Let me close out some of these pages. All right, so hook you up. Okay, so this is pertaining to a nail lounge. So boom, this is the actual name of their business, and boom, there's a picture, there's some text, and then boom, here's the actual image gallery. So if I want to, people want to see testimonials, all they got to do is just click, and it's going to keep showing them the different testimonials. So that's how the image gallery section actually works. So let's go ahead and go back. Let's just go into a random page right now, just so I can continue showing you the actual sections. All right. Give it a second, guys. All right, so boom, click back on sections, and you can do customer form. You can add a button, large image, map, video, image gallery, feature block, and headline. Okay, so hopefully all of those make sense, and let me just show you another page that I built. Okay, same concept, logo, subscribe button. What does the subscribe button do? It takes them right down so they can put their information in, which keeps it very focused. So check it out. Boom, takes them right down to the form. Okay, and I actually built this for a barber shop. All right, so this one right here was for a nail shop. So it's pretty cool, very simple. All you got to do, boom, takes them right to the form. That's so cool. All right, so we'll click out of that. And guys, that is literally it. That is how you create a landing page from scratch using Royaltie's marketing platform. Okay, so if Royaltie sounds interesting to you and you feel this is going to be beneficial for you, I'll leave a link down below, the first link in the description, and you can definitely get started with Royaltie. Check it out, see if it's going to be beneficial for you. All right, now with that being said, if you got some value from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.